A UN report says pro-Afghan government and international military forces were responsible for more civilian deaths in the first 3 months of this year than the Taliban. The UN assistance mission in Afghanistan called the death toll unprecedented. The mission called for immediate action to stop the rising civilian harm from air and search operations. According to the quarterly UN report, between the start of January and the end of March this year, pro-Afghan government forces, international and local, killed 305 civilians. That's 53% of the total number of civilian deaths. Anti-government forces, the Taliban and ISIS mostly, killed 227 civilians, 39% of the total number. To put those numbers into perspective, the overall civilian deaths were actually lower for the first 3 months of this year than they have been since the same time period in 2013. And for even more context, a UN assistance mission in Afghanistan report from last October said civilian deaths between January 1st and September 30th of 2018 were up 5% compared to that same period in 2017.